Good morning. It's Monday, August 5th. It's Memorial Day here in the States. It's a holiday. Not Memorial Day. Labor Day. It's Labor Day here in the States. So we've got the day off. Up here taking a peek at these rudder cable pulleys again. Got our torque seal dried up so we can put those back up in on Station 8 bulkhead and see how those are working again. We'll check that out. The other thing we got started on yesterday was flap handle assembly. Made some bushings that were needed. Got those done, and we're probably just going to continue with that, so we'll see what we get today. Okay, I've got the flap handle in the, got the flap handle installed here, and we've run into this before. You saw on the, it was on the flight control stick, where we've got no threads showing on this bolt sticking up through here. So this is an AN3-14A. And so I'm going to put a 15A on this and see what we get. Yeah, it is fire season. We can't barely see the hills off in the distance there. But pretty toasty today. We're in the upper 90s. Gonna continue that way, I think, tomorrow too. Hair wrapping up for today, and you saw we did the pulleys for the rudder cable. Back there. Still getting that same noise and vibration after we've kind of tightened things up a little bit and redid a few things. But so, yep, the mystery continues, and I don't know, maybe it's just something that'll wear in over time. It really acts and feels like the cable is just a little tiny bit too big for the pulley, and it's just kind of maybe rubbing in there, but I don't know. Gonna send that to Rands for them to have a look at it again. But also installed this flap handle assembly, and hey, it wouldn't be a day, normal day, without having a question on some fit up. So today's question it comes into the flap handle assembly. They have you put 2 washers in on this one side, and I can kind of see why, and I'm assuming this is normal, but this attach point here is offset in there. Let me know if your flap handle is the same way. I'm assuming it is, and there's got to be a reason for it, but it's offset to the side, so they have you put 2 washers on this side to offset the handle to the right. Problem being is now when this is all put together, and we noticed when we get it mounted up here, is this is you really have to push that in and squeeze it in to get it to fit. Or I should say, when that gets bolted down, it'll really put a squeeze on it, which then puts a bend in this whole assembly here. You can't really see it, but it does. It makes this side bracket kind of bows it like this. And also this top piece here, we made this bushing exactly to spec as specified in the book. I mean, was it 5/8 inch?
Yes.
We were exactly 5/8 inch, down to the thousandth. And when this is tightened up, you can't see it. When it's tightened up, the bottom is wider than the top, so it kind of squashes in, wider on the bottom, skinnier on the top. So do we need to do a new bushing for that? A little longer bushing, which it's pretty easy to do, but we just got to find out what the deal is on that. So a number of questions on this fit up here, but like I said, we're wrapped up for the day, and we'll be back at some point. So hey, thanks for watching, have a good evening, and that's it for now.